Hello everybody, and back to another room tour in my new room in a new house. So one thing is, yes, I am blonde. Two, I do not currently live at my old house that I did my last room tour on. I spent a long time trying to figure out what was best for my room, and I wanted to make it a really comfy place to like study, work, and everything in it. And I do spend a lot of time in here, so there are a lot of things that are very personal to me, and I think it's really cute, and I just wanted to show you guys. So when you first walk into my room, this is my door, and I have this poster I got in Dallas from here. I think it was from Kinokuniya actually. And then I guess to the right is my bed and my super cute Shiba stuffed animals. I don't really have anything on this wall, but there's also a lamp right here. My Hatsune Miku poster I also got in Dallas, and a donut calendar art print. I think my sister got me it in the Korean Seoul Illustration Fair. This is my bed. I think it's a full-sized bed. And yeah, all of these plushies are gifts that my boyfriend got me over the course of the last year, and they're so cute, and I love hugging them, and they're so cute. These cherry blossom things I just love to put around my bed. It makes it look so cute, and my friend got them for me as a going away gift. And I have this little sitting down thing from Target that I used to keep in my dorm, but it's just there now. And then right next to my bed, I have my IKEA nightstand thing, which is just a rolling cart tray. I'm not gonna show those two compartments because I just put a random stuff in there, and the second one is especially for either extra gaming or filming equipment, as well as Vaseline for my lips I put on before I sleep. And the bottom one is just extra makeup. I think it's just all makeup. So recently I've gotten into collecting manga and reading it online and in physical forms. My favorite series right now is Oharu Ride, and I haven't read these two. I got them on my Kinokuniya trip just the other day. I also have been loving Horimiya, and I got one kind of like one-off book of Communicate because my friend recommended it to me. I've been reading Nana online for a very long time, but I just decided to get the first volume when I saw it at Barnes & Noble. And I got these two, A Galaxy Next Door, but I have not read them yet, but it just looked really pretty, the art. And one of my favorite series right now is My Love Mix-Up. It is just so funny, and after I finished these two volumes, I got the third and fourth ones right away. I also recently got a Nintendo Switch, and I have two games right now, The Breath of the Wild and Animal Crossing New Horizons. And I haven't been like playing that much, but I already have like 20 hours on Animal Crossing. And hello, yeah, I got the OLED version. And I just keep it right here so I can play when I wake up and before I go to sleep. Probably the most aesthetic part of my room right now is my desk area. So I have these two monitors. They are both from LG, but this one is a 144 Hz monitor, and I think this one is just a 61, but they're the same size. I also have a Logitech webcam. I think it's the one that every single person has. C920, I think. I also have a white monitor stand connecting through my desk. My dad actually had to drill a hole to connect them. And yeah, they keep my monitors up, and I can even make this one into a vertical monitor, though, because I have the stand. This is my keyboard and mouse. This is a Logitech CRG502. It was a gift from my boyfriend's friend to him, but he already has this mouse, so he just gave it to me. And this is my keyboard. It's the same keyboard from my last video, but I replaced the keycaps, and I just love the way it looks because the old keycaps were getting all musty and gross, and it gives a totally different feel to my keyboard. I also have a controller right next to my desk because I love playing like Genshin, Celeste, and some other games on a controller that are connected to my PC. And this is from my phone, but right now I'm just charging my AirPods and a water bottle. I also have a Blue Yeti mic that I've been using forever. And right over here is kind of where I keep extra things that are really important in my daily life. Here's this rose my boyfriend got me, and also my wallet, hand cream, and adapter. I keep some little snacks over here. And I also have 2 diaries. This one is more for drawing. This one I journal in all the time. This is a book that I've been reading recently, and I cannot tell you anything about it yet because, I don't know, I haven't read anything too crazy. This is a drawing tablet that I have. It's an XP pen tablet. It's 13.3 inches. I love it, but nowadays, like, I usually just draw on my iPad over here and MacBook. And I use a device organizer to just keep them on the side of my desk and away from everything else. This is also one of the most aesthetic things about my room, and there's just this like pegboard here, and I put a lot of like pink cute things. This mirror from AliExpress, some necklaces, this little plushie that my sister got me from Korea. This is from Korea, this is from Korea, this is from Korea. Like, a lot of these art prints I get at the Seoul Illustration Fair. If you're ever in Korea in the summer, I definitely recommend going to the fair. You can get so many of these really cute, not this one, but like prints like this for like $1. I keep most of my pens and my tablet pens over here. I have this really cute My Melody Funko Pop tape and this Mavis from Fairy Tale Funko Pop as well. It's so cute. Over here I have a little strawberry Miku thing I think I got from AliExpress, but it's not a bad quality. I have this really cute roll cake pusheen. I saw this at Barnes & Noble and I just had to get it. And also this little tiny Celeste figure. It's so cute. And yeah, some chains and keychains and this flower from Hawaii. This is my desk from some different angles. Oh, and the thing that I got over there, it's actually still in my old room tour, but I also got it on AliExpress. And I have the same GT racing chair with just a little seat pad over there. I should really change this out, but I'm broke. I don't really want to show my wires, but I'm just gonna kind of like show my PC from here. I just put it on the floor. I used to have my PC on my desk, but I just don't like seeing it. And my wires are all over the place. Yeah. My lamp is from IKEA, and I also put some strip LED lights on the side of my desk so it gives this like pink glow. I forgot to mention that my desk is from IKEA. That is from IKEA. This is from IKEA. My bookshelf is from IKEA. Literally everything is from IKEA. And this is also from IKEA as well. And my bed. I also keep my headphones just on this hook right now. Sometimes I like to use headphones, but most of the times I'll just use my Apple earbuds, which I connect to the HyperX, connector. Over here is more of my like beauty and personal section of my room. I decided to invest in one of these like vanity desks because I hated doing my makeup at my normal desk, and it just gives me a place to feel really cute. I got this little stool from Amazon. I think it was around $50, and I actually love it, and I got it very recently. I want to make a video just going over my vanity desk, so I'm not going to go over it too much in depth, but I have a ton of containers here. And before I made this video, I actually found a good idea to just like tuck my skincare behind. And this is one of my favorite things in my entire room, this like heart tray, because I found it at a thrift store and I was like, wow, this is so cute. And in here there is more makeup and yes. And over here I do have more makeup and more skincare just everywhere in my room. I also have these really cute art prints above my vanity desk. They're all from the Seoul Illustration Fair, but I actually got this one back when I went in 2019, I think. And these two my sister got me this summer. My bookshelf is kind of like my catch-all section. I just put a lot of these little bags here because I think they're cute. And I have more purses over here. This is my favorite summer purse right now. And just some random stuff. This has all my jewelry, random lighter, and chocolates. Some more of these. And this thing was like my sister's old bookshelf, and she used to like write on her bookshelf and draw everywhere, so it's still there, and like it hasn't bothered me that much, so I haven't erased it, but yeah, just ignore it. I have some books, more jewelry, and these little like Sonny angels. I feel like everyone who doesn't know what these sunny angels are, like they think it's so weird, but like my mom like really likes collecting them, and I think they're so cute. This is my book area where I just keep all the books I've been reading. I haven't read all of them, but I've read pretty much most of them, and I guess my favorite book right now from here is either Norwegian Wood or My Year of Rest and Relaxation. And right now I'm actually reading Earthlings. This like little salamander plush my boyfriend's sister actually got me when she went to Hawaii, and it's like so cute, and like, yeah, it's so cute. And this is just random vitamins, and yeah. Over here is where it gets a little bit more dirty. I have this amazing tote bag, some more skincare, and these are more plushies that I have not found a room for. This mirror is from IKEA, but the most important thing is the art print above my mirror. My friend Sydney drew this, and it's a Star Guardian, Jinx and Lux, and a KDA Ari, I think. And we were all making fun of her because she didn't know there's a Star Guardian Ari because she doesn't play League, but it's so cute and it's like such nice quality. And yeah, I love to keep it up here, just stare at it. But yeah, I think that's about it for my room tour. Here's just kind of a walkthrough that is a bit slower. And I really love how everything came together, and it's not too popping in your face, but it's also very soft. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this video, and if you want to know where anything is that I might not list in the description, just comment it or like DM me on Instagram or something, and I'll try my best to answer you. And yeah, bye!